medium is Malayalam. My question is that on the presence, actor Mohanlal. Actually, നമുക്കെല്ലാം മലയാളത്തിലെ മോഹൻലാൽ എപ്പോഴും ഒരു സൈഡ് തോന്നുന്നത് ചരിച്ചാണ് ഹീറോ ബാലൻസ്. പക്ഷേ ഇവിടെ പുഷ്പരാജുണ്ട് ഒരു ചെറിയ ബാലൻസ്. ആക്ച്വലി പുഷ്പരാജ് മോഹൻലാൽ സാറിന്റെ ഫാനാണ്.
Sir, really, there is no South Indian actor who will not like Mohanlal sir. Because we have grown up watching these people. When I was young, these are the superstars we watched, we saw and we grew up with. So there's no way that we cannot not love them. So of that league. There's an action sequence in the movie and we shot that in the forest. And we wanted to come to Kerala and shoot in the forest, but 2 times it got cancelled because in the pre-COVID and COVID conditions we couldn't shoot in Kerala. I really missed that one part, not shooting in Kerala. It's a very difficult thing to shoot in Kerala. It was very difficult to shoot because there's no hotels in the forest. When you have to give accommodation for 350 people, the logistics are very huge. It was a very difficult film to shoot. So I hope you all like the output of it.
How was the character change for you? Like from romantic hero to realistic rough type character?
Definitely it's a very challenging role because till now whatever I did it's still a little on the glamorous side. This is a totally de-glamorous role and it is quite a challenging role for me in terms of dialect, look, body language. There are multiple layers in the movie which I had to get it. I think I managed. I hope you watched it tomorrow and I hope you all see what all I've tried. I am genuinely, I am satisfied with what I've tried. I hope tomorrow when you say that, okay, you've done a good job, I think that's when I'll feel complete. Thank you.
Another thing about Mani is whenever he comes to Chennai, even if it is for some other film for which I'm not the music director also, as soon as he lands, he calls me, hey, Dave, what are you doing? And he comes straight to my studio and we have some snacks and all that. Then we chat forever. That's why he's so sweet and so dear to me. And when we're making songs, he comes to the studio, we play it, and then we see, I thought of this, and he dances in front of us. So all my team, everybody gets excited. When a hero is like that, then it also pushes us, right? Hey, okay, let us do this, let us do that. So that's our relationship. It's musical, it's professional, and the bonding is different.
Working with Fahad
Garu is a fantastic actor in the first place, and I was very surprised to see many aspects that generally actors from other languages, they don't learn the lines. They just take prompting. Prompting means somebody else says the lines, they just hear it and they just say it. Not even one single word of Telugu he took prompting. All the time he used to write his dialogues, learn it, come speak on the set. Like he spoke Telugu just like any other Telugu person, which is impossible. I have never seen any other non-language artist do it so well. All due credits to him. And to work with, he's a very, very down-to-earth, very simple, very focused actor.
Allu sir, Tradition, here only. The first person who asked the question.
Yes.
Okay. So 70 days ഫോറസ്റ്റിലാണ് ഈ ഒരു സിനിമ ഷൂട്ട് ചെയ്തത്. ആൻഡ് ഇതിന്റെ സംഘടന രംഗങ്ങൾ എനിക്ക് തോന്നുന്നു അതും ഭയങ്കര ചലഞ്ചിങ് ആയിരുന്നു. എത്രമാത്രം റിസ്ക് ആയിരുന്നു ഈ സിനിമയുടെ ഷൂട്ടിംഗ്?
Okay, so he said the whole shooting was done in 70 days in the forest. What were the risks associated with doing this over there?
Biggest risk was COVID.
ഇവിടെ അതും ഇല്ല. ബാക്കി എല്ലാവരും please wear your masks. Please.
The biggest risk over there was COVID. And also apart from that, the risk is always there. There could be a snake behind you, there could be a buck below you. Shooting in the forest is very unpredictable. It could suddenly rain, you could be short-circuited. So there are multiple aspects that you always have to be aware about. More than anything, there will be spiders everywhere. So when you're walking, there's a lot of spider webs and suddenly there's a spider on your face. I think at least more than 15-20 times it would have happened to me.
Sir, ഇത് കമ്പൽ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ
Question first class part. Everybody should clap for her. She entertained us. Payment undo. Payment വേണ്ട, music gift payment. Music വേണ്ട, music director വേണം.
ഇത് കമ്പോസ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ആക്ച്വലി അല്ലു അർജുൻ മൂവീസ് എല്ലാം ഒരു ഹീറോയുടെ സോങ്സ് ആണല്ലോ കൂടുതൽ വരിക. അപ്പൊ ഇത് ഹീറോയിൻ സോങ് ആയിട്ടാണ് ഫീൽ ചെയ്തത്. അപ്പൊ ഹൗ വാസ് earlier. എന്താ പറയുക സാറിന് ആ സമയത്ത് സാറിന്റെ മൈൻഡിൽ എന്തായിരുന്നു?
కొంచెం కొంచెం పురియేది కొంచెం కొంచెం పురియేది అప్పుడేది కమల్ సార్ అప్పుడు ఏం చూడాలా ఇప్పుడు ఏం చూడాలా మరి 50-50 వల్లే అండర్స్టూడ్.
No, so what she says, when you hear the song, you're actually thinking of it to be a
Heroine song.
heroine song. You know, you think it's going to be made on a heroine.
But we are making for a heroine. Is that what you asked? Okay.
What was in your mind at that time? நீங்க ரஷ்மிகாவை ஆடி வச்சீங்க.
Yeah, no, actually what happens is, even though, see, the beauty about a heroine song in a film is, the heroine is anyway singing about the hero. So indirectly it becomes a hero song. So the lyrics and everything is shot at the hero. So then only things I feel like a girl while making the song.
Well, you have to be very smart about that in I, it, he, me, she kind of world. So I think it has to suit everybody. Yeah.
No, that's how we should feel, right? When I make an item song, I feel like an item boy.
That's a good one. Lovely. Thank you.
This is only part 1. We have part 2 also. And soon after part 1, we will give an announcement about part 2. Let's see how part 1, what do you say about part 1? According to it, will change also little in part 2. Any vandalism push? I've been doing it for last 1 year. With dialogue. You want it? Last, I'll definitely give it to you. And you know, a lot of people, I just wanted to say, I was even sharing with Devi a little while ago. When they say a lot of fans in Kerala, what visually comes is the men that always come with banners and everything like that. But apart from that, what I've noticed is there are a lot of fans who are female, who are largely female. I'd like to thank them, all of them, each and every one of them, for all the love. Thank you. Thank you. చూసి పారుங்க பார்த்தாவே தெரியுது. Thank you so much. Any more questions?
How's your experience with Allu Arjun and Papa?
Experience, sir. I think I should just say I am super blessed to be working with Allu Arjun sir and in this film in a total, because first, like I was telling in the award pre-release function that when sir came as a chief guest in Geeta Govindam, I was just wishing that I get to work with sir, and today I'm here promoting a film that I've done with sir, which I feel extremely proud of. I think that, and getting to do such a different character with a actor who's a perfectionist like this, I think is an extreme learning journey, but at the same time extremely exciting journey. So I think I'm super excited about the 17th. And Papa sir, I still didn't get to
No, don't give all the surprises. Let them see it in the film.
Oh, okay, 17th, everybody.
Ma'am, my expectation is not about 200, 250, 300, ma'am. What I would like to say is what I'm working for and what I would like to be is, ma'am, we're all coming together as South cinema. And this is the biggest film that's coming from South cinema in 2021. The entire country is going to watch it. It's not a Malayalam film, it's not a Telugu film, it's not a Kannada film, Malayalam film. It's a film that's coming from the South, which is going to be released all over, not just the South, but it's going to release all over India, and even North Indian audience are going to watch it. It's a representation from South, but it's a multi-language, all over the country, pan-Indian film. And madam, eventually what is going to be standing out is not Telugu cinema, Malayalam cinema,
Yes.
Kannada cinema, Hindi cinema. It's going to be Indian cinema. I want Indian cinema because I'm here and my attempt is to put Indian cinema on a highest pedestal. 200 crores, 250 crores is not the potential of Indian cinema. Indian cinema's potential is much. I am billing is 10 to 100 times more. I want to see the potential of Indian cinema come out. Thank you. Very nice question. Papa has dubbed for himself in all the languages.
Whoa! He's too much.
Thank you. Thank you. And just like how you asked to fulfill your promise, December 17th.
Sit down, please. Don't
Pushpa.
jump. Sit. Please don't. He's here.
Thank you.
Mukesh sir, how do you feel today after seeing this amazing evening, the way it turned out?
I'm very sure that as Allu Arjun sir said that Pushpa is not a Telugu film. Pushpa is a pan-Indian film, and this number of people who will see Pushpa will be the highest as far as I am concerned, not only in Kerala but across the world. And I am wishing Allu Arjun sir his biggest success of his career in Pushpa. I end with that. I thank the entire media, the press for coming and waiting for us. I am once again thankful to all of you.
The last, I'd like to thank once again. I thank the entire media, all the press, and ma'am, thank you so much for accompanying us. Thank you. And of course, the last bag to all my fans. I love you all. Thank you. Pushpa, December 17th, Vimal Kalusmano. I'm going to meet you. I'll see you soon. Thank you.